Thank you everyone for joining me on this adventure. I had an opportunity to go on an adventure, so I decided to go on an underwater adventure to snorkel at Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. It is Oahu's best place to enjoy snorkeling.
I wish I kept it, boy. Maybe a nice glass. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Al's Wonderless Adventures. This morning, it's 6:31 right now. I'm heading to Hanauma Bay to film underwater and to see the sea life there. I'll see you when I get there.
Program, and before you all go down to the beach, everybody here is going to be watching our short safety video right over there. It's here to get you folks acquainted with the ocean so you can keep safe in the water while also keeping our wildlife safe. Now before you guys do that, there are a few announcements that I need to make that are not mentioned in there. So first things first, while you folks are here, make sure you're paying attention to all our park signs, because that's going to give you the most up-to-date information about what you can and cannot do here at the bay today. There is a sign at the front of this line that is going to remind you these face masks are going to be required up here through that orientation and on your way down to the beach. Now, once you get down there and your toes touch the sand, then we just need 6 feet between you and everybody else. But be advised.
The unique beauty of the bay and everything within it. If you have trouble understanding English, please use the provided headsets to tune into your native language. We appreciate that you are taking the time to view the following video presentation. Mahalo.
This is the story of Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. These cerulean waters, filled with spectacular array of wildlife and natural beauty, appear tranquil, but it wasn't always like this.
With sand, they cannot do here at the bay today. That sign over there is here to remind you that these face masks are required both here, through that orientation, and on your way down to the beach. Now once you get down there and your toes touch the sand, then we just need 6 feet between you and everybody else. Just be advised, you are going to need these if you want to ride the tram down the hill or back up, as well as at any bus concession, be it the gift shop, our snack bar, or the snorkel rental down on the beach.
As you can see, the weather was cloudy and the tide was going out and soon to be low tide. I won't be adding any music while I'm underwater so that you all can hear what I hear, and also you can hear the parrotfish eating from the coral.
I've seen the largest parrotfish, or in Hawaii they call uhu. I saw 2 of them. That's the largest I've seen in my life. There's a lot of fish out here.
Thank you everyone for watching this underwater adventure. I highly recommend you adding Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve to your bucket list when visiting Oahu. There is online reservations can be made 2 days in advance starting at 7 a.m. Hawai'i Standard Time. I highly recommend you get on the website 5 minutes prior because they run other reservations within 5 minutes. So get on the website early. All visitors must view an orientation video. Parking is first come, first serve. Cash only for $3. Click on my description and I'll have more information and the website for the reservations for you. Thank you again, and when possible, go outside and explore.